Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force and the U.S. Navy are conducting joint drills at south of the Japanese island of Okinawa, involving two U.S. aircraft carriers, the USS Carl Vinson and the USS Theodore Roosevelt, as well as Japanese destroyer Eyes. Kratos Unmanned Aerial Systems Inc. was awarded a $57.6 million contract for production and delivery of 70 BQM-177A target drones and 70 rocket-assisted takeoff attachment kits. The BQM-177A is an advanced, high-subsonic, recoverable aerial target system designed to replicate real-world enemy, anti-ship cruise missile, serving as a crucial training tool. U.S. Congress approved a $3 billion MQ-9B Predator drone deal with India. The sale involves high-altitude long-endurance HAL UAVs, with the Navy receiving 15 Sea Guardian drones and the Army and Air Force getting 8 each of the land version, Sky Guardian. Russia is equipping its tanks with new Sania counter-drone system. The electronic warfare system can detect FPV drone from a range of 1.5 kilometers and suppress it from 1 kilometer. It features a passive detector, 2 small vertical antennas, and a suppressor with 8 antennas.